Hello everyone, so today we'll be making aloo ke parathe. For that I will be taking about 1 cup of whole wheat flour. To knead the dough I will be adding water. You need to add water little by little and you need to knead the flour. Once the kneading is done, you are going to add 1 teaspoon of oil and let it sit for some time. The next step is to cook mashed potatoes. So for this I have taken potatoes and I have chopped them into medium pieces. I put it in cold water so that they do not lose their color. Now when the water is boiling, I am going to add these potatoes into the water. Let the water boil on a high flame. Once the water has come to boil, add about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this well. Let it simmer on a low flame for about 12 to 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are done, we need to switch off the flame and drain the water off. Use a masher to mash your potatoes. So mash the potatoes and keep it aside. The next step is we are going to prepare the masala. Take about 2 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and about 15 black peppercorns. Dry roast them for 1 minute. After 1 minute of dry roasting, transfer this into a mixer grinder jar. Into this add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, add 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder or hing, add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, add half a teaspoon of raw mango powder, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now grind this into a fine powder. In the next step, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 green chilies into this. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. To this mixture we are going to add our mashed potatoes. This well. Add about 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Add about 1 tablespoon of masala that we have prepared. Cook this mixture until all the moisture from it evaporates. Once the mixture is prepared, move it and put it aside and let it cool down. Now please add your aloo masala or potato masala onto the wheat paratha. Now we are going to close the masala inside the paratha as shown.
Okay, so you have extra आटा.
Remove the extra amount of wheat flour.
अब हम इसको हल्के से.
Now you are going to close this, enclose it, and you are going to
बहुत ही अच्छा आटा
roll the
लगाइए,
paratha
क्योंकि
using the
हमारी
rolling
रोटी
pin.
open हो गई तो फिर अच्छा नहीं
You can
लगेगा.
add dry flour as you go in order to gain some kind of bindness. Use the rolling pin to make the paratha flat. So you are going to make several parathas like this. Now this is how you make the aloo ka paratha or potato paratha. Take a pan and add little oil to the pan. Rub the oil onto the pan. After that you are going to add your paratha on top of it. You are going to cook your paratha on both the sides. If you want, you can skip the oil. If you want more oil, you can add to it. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment any recipes that you would want us to make. Like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for all your support. Take care.